Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you from the New York Stock Exchange broadcast room overlooking the trading floor, and I'm in a great mood. You know why, because it's a Friday. And you know what that means here at Modern Wall Street? We're getting the weekend started early. So it's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets, they're not closed yet. They soon will be. But it's time to get out of here because it's officially an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks slightly higher this Friday afternoon as investors continue to move through mixed earnings report amid a lack of economic data. Now the Dow Jones fractionally higher amid a lack of data, and as GE is the headliner for those earnings. GE, General Electric, beating estimates, but shares falling roughly 2% today, sending industrials lower. General Electric posting earnings 5 cents a share above expectations, held by aviation, healthcare, and power businesses. Revenue for the company also up 15% year over year. However, shares are down right now after GE said that the current business environment is being affected by a volatile and slow growth economy. Team all of that with Asia a little bit lower, the US dollar stronger, oil futures in the red, gold prices in the red as well, and you have yourself a lack of economic data. You have yourself a session right now where decliners and advancers are technically neck and neck, approaching the end of the trading session and the week as well. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this mostly volatile and seesaw trading day. And it's a Friday, so with a lack of corporate data, a lack of economic reports, I've got to talk about sports. We have the New York Mets this weekend. Come back, win it, they could do it. Speaking of which, we have WWE Battleground this weekend. And speaking of the WWE, let's segment over to UFC. Brock Lesnar, 2 times, failing the test the day of the fight on July 9th. I don't even know what to say about that. But the big news for me, the big question is, are the New York Islanders moving to Queens? I'm not against it. Not at all. But even bigger news, this weekend, this Sunday, the Baseball Hall of Fame. And it's not just any Baseball Hall of Fame for me because I'm a Mets fan. So Ken Griffey Jr. is going in with the Mariners and Mike Piazza, only the second New York Met going into the Baseball Hall of Fame. Never forget the 9/11 game. Never forget Mike Piazza. Lots of memories of my teenage years and even my young childhood years. Let's go. I'll be watching. For Modern Wall Street saying, have yourself a great weekend. Enjoy the great weather if you're in the tri-state area. And I'll see you guys all on Monday. I'm James Sweeney.